had a competition to win some Stiga battery operated secateurs, and the question was about stone fruit. Well, you've seen me prune this lots of times. This is one of my pride and joy of apricot trees, and you can see that these wounds where I pruned it were cut back in the summer. In fact, the fruit finished, and then soon after I went across the front to produce lots of little small buds which will produce the fruit for next year. Why do we do it in the summer? Well, I'll tell you why we do it in the summer. Because particularly stone fruits are very susceptible to disease and bacterial canker. So we do it in the summer because that way the ends of the cuts are all sealed and no bacteria and disease can get into it. So stone fruits, cherries, plums, apricots, peaches, nectarines, all those are pruned during the summer. And if you go to our website, you can see us pruning these and looking after apricots particularly, because they're one of my favourite. So that's why the answer to the competition was summer. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.